How to buy a REF token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. This token, as you can see, it's available on the screen here. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom made, because the most of issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a REF token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.